Now, we wanted to learn more about the experimental medication the president took before heading to the hospital, so we reached out to some local doctors who are very familiar with this drug created to fight COVID-19. We also heard from the company's CEO. Before the president left the White House in Marine One, his physician, Dr. Conley, sent out this memo indicating that President Trump received a single 8-gram dose of a polyclonal antibody cocktail made by New York-based pharmaceutical company Regeneron.
If we give our antibodies, we hope that we will give his immune system enough of a boost so that he can win this and make a complete recovery.
Dr. Claudia Hoyen, an infectious disease specialist with Rainbow Children's Hospital, says the experimental drug's clinical trial looks promising.
They saw a great decrease in the viral load. They thought they saw kind of trends or correlations towards people needing less hospitalization. And also exhibiting fewer symptoms.
The handmade antibody cocktail mimics the antibodies of those who have already fought off COVID-19.
If you've had the virus, you make antibodies. And if you take the serum from somebody who's had the virus and give it to somebody who just now got it, their antibodies can help.
Regeneron CEO says the White House had to get FDA approval to give the president the drug.
It's called a compassionate use basis, which is really just an individual experimental approach.
Local doctors speculate the president's trip to Walter Reed comes out of an abundance of caution.
He's the president, and they are wanting to be sure that he has all of the attention that he needs. That if for some reason he were to become more ill, he would already be in the hospital.
So the White House shared late tonight that the president is not requiring oxygen, but he did start remdesivir therapy, which is another experimental drug. Officials say he completed his first dose and is resting comfortably. Meanwhile, the CEO of Regeneron says only a single dose of medication was needed to get the president through until he recovers from COVID-19.